Hello everyone. Hope you all doing good and your trading is going too good. Now we are going to analyze in Eurjpy what we can expect next buying or selling in a 4 hour time frame. If you face any problem in trading or you want any paid analysis or you're stuck in any trade, you can just simple contact us on YouTube comment section or WhatsApp. We will help you. Many people hesitate, but no need to worry. We are here for your help. As you can see, this is the very important zone, and this is I am expecting the market will soon touch it, and if the market got rejection, we will can expect a good selling from here. So I will took a sell trade when the market rejection. Your the stop loss and target of that trade will be shared in our WhatsApp group. Make sure to join. If you want to trade your own, you can also trade with 1:3 or 1:2 profit. But if you want to copy our trade, simple, our target, our stop loss, so you can just contact us on WhatsApp. We will add you in a group, and it is a simple logic trade. The market is moving on a support or sorry resistance zone, and we can take a sell from here on rejection. We will using a rejection candle for our second confirmation. So if you like the analysis, so please subscribe the channel and ask anything in a comment section and WhatsApp chat.